guys, it's Thursday here on YouTube Sisters. This week's theme is Hair Week and I literally have a window of 10 minutes before I'm out the door, so this might be a quick one. I'm going to be talking about my hair inspirations because I'm not very good at doing hair, as you can see by this kind of crappy bun. The first hair inspiration is Louise, aka Sprinkled Glitter. I am obsessed with her pink dip dye. I have loved it ever since she dyed it, and it just looks amazing in a bun and it looks amazing down, and I just wish I could have my hair like that. It looks really nice curled as well because she's got quite thick hair, and I wish I had thick hair because mine is so thin and it's really annoying to do anything with it. The second hair inspiration is Hayley Williams of Paramore, my favourite person in the world. I have a huge girl crush. She dyes her hair all the time, and whatever colour she dyes it always looks perfect. You can even pull off like really short hair like this, and when she had the really short fringe that was like up here. I'm obsessed with her new green hair that she tweeted the other day. I don't ever remember it being green before, and it's just a cool look of like green and blonde. I don't know, she changes her hairstyle all the time and it still looks amazing. I also liked it in the Still Into You video when she had like the pastel pink and the orange. I love pastel hair. It looked amazing when it was open as well, so you know, she wins on everything. Then the third hair inspiration is another YouTuber, Emma Blackery. However many times she's dyed it, it still seems to stay really good quality, which means she's really good at dyeing hair. Like, can she come do mine please? It really suits the fringe that she's got going on. I loved it when it was black for the company shoot. I just thought it was just so nice, and I feel like it's quite hard to pull off black hair, and she did it pretty well. I also liked it when she had the brown into blonde dip dye a few weeks to months ago. I can't remember, it just looked cool. I also liked the pink into purple, which she didn't actually like, but I thought it was pretty cool. I wish I could have my hair every single colour and still have it like suit me. The fourth hair inspiration is Jenna McDougall, specifically when she had green hair. We have her here, but that's with her blonde hair, which I like, but not as much as the green hair. Just suited her so well. I don't know why she dyed it back because I really liked it. It looks really nice when she first dyed it and it was all like bright green, and then when it faded, which is something that doesn't usually look good, like when it's fading and you can see your roots, but it seemed to look pretty cool on her. I just want you to dye it back, Jenna. She's from Tonight Alive, by the way, I don't think I said that. Then the fifth and final hair inspiration is Helen Melon Lady, who is a smaller YouTuber. She is the hair goddess. She can do so many different hairstyles with her hair and it just looks amazing. Like, she seems to just incorporate so many different looks into her daily hair, and I really wish mine could do that many different things. When she did the mermaid hair and did a video about it, it looked absolutely perfect. I was obsessed. And I liked the silver hair as well. It was kind of like a pastel-y, silvery blonde. I like pastel hair colours, can you tell? She does amazing videos as well, so you know, I'll link her in the down there and stuff. Right, I'm going to go because I'm going to the carnival now because it's Bank Holiday Monday and my town has a carnival. I'm filming this a week in advance, you should be proud. But yeah, thanks for watching guys, bye!